5 reasons black matte appliances should be on your radar. Dear friends, stainless steel has long reigned over modern kitchens, ushering an airy feel into your space while also acting as a suitable neutral for most interior design styles. But we think it's time for a different appliance finish to rule. Enter black matte. Effortlessly elegant, black matte appliances serve as the perfect canvas for pops of color and as stylish juxtapositions to white cabinetry, marble countertops, and other ivory accents. Different from stainless steel's broody sibling, black stainless steel, black matte is not shiny, and while black stainless steel exudes a sleek appearance, it requires more upkeep to maintain its sheen. We can't praise the beauty of black matte appliances enough, but we can surely try. To that end, here are 5 reasons this appliance finish should be on your radar. 1. Black matte warms up your space. While traditional stainless steel is favored for making kitchens appear brighter and more open, darker hues are often dismissed for having the effect of dwarfing a room. We are here to tell you that is not necessarily true. As a counter-argument, it can be easily said that stainless steel perpetuates coldness, making your space appear stark or bare. It all depends on how you frame it. By contrast, black matte has more of a satiny sheen, and when combined with contrasting stainless steel bar handles, this appliance finish makes a statement. Design experts preach that, as long as a. Your cabinetry and walls are in lighter colors and b. There is plenty of natural light in your kitchen, black matte adds a warm-hearted touch. 2. Black matte adds contrast. In fact, black matte appliances can create depth in your kitchen, but the trick is to invoke contrast with bright colors. This will stretch your kitchen's design, drawing the eye toward the lighter elements. In addition, the low-gloss finish of black matte appliances has a horizontal grain to it that evokes texture, which complements contemporary fixtures like painted cabinets, tiled backsplashes, and stone countertops. If you're looking to add a touch of glitz to your kitchen space, black matte appliances pose the perfect opportunity. 3. Black is a timeless color. If you'd like your kitchen design to stand the test of time, a black matte finish is as elegant as it is classic. In other words, a surefire way to ensure your appliances don't go out of style is to opt for a finish that has endured stainless steel's reign. As a focal color, black in interior design keeps a room from being too stark, acting as a great foundation for other decor elements to give it life. Black can be dramatic yet grounding, offering a satisfying flavor that suits every palate. 4. Fingerprints and smudges are less likely to show. Black matte appliances are hailed for being fingerprint resistant and smudge proof. Yes, to the relief of parents of toddlers, these appliances are engineered to be durable and to withstand grubby hands. 5. Black matte appliances are easy to clean. To preserve this pristine coating, just take a soft cloth dampened with warm, soapy water to your appliances. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.